Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus in a brilliant black exterior. It's riding on the 17-inch Michelin Energy all-season tires with fantastic tread. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 Pentastar engine, giving this Grand Caravan 283 horsepower. On the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and your power mirrors. The Grand Caravan seats up to 7 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings. As for the left, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel, you have your audio controls. As we move into the odometer, there is 15,665 kilometers. The Grand Caravan comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, which you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Going to navigation here, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. The Grand Caravan comes with a tri-zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side, the front passenger, and the rear. It also comes with front heated seats and heated steering wheel. Entering the second row, you have your 2 captain chairs with Sto N Go. As we move into the back, we have 3 more seats, all with plenty of leg space. As we move up, for entertainment purposes, you have a DVD entertainment system. Once you're done in the back, you have a button that activates the power sliding door. Heading to the trunk, there's plenty of cargo space with storage along the side. For the third row, it is a 60/40 split fold Sto N Go. And once you're done, you have another button that also activates the power liftgate. So there you have it, the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew Plus. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.